So here you can see this pop over. Look here, same thing. First, importantly, you need to use two: database toggle and database content to display the content. The second thing is you are going to create one variable. Why I'm creating this variable? Why? Because I'm just going to put the values in that element, that is a variable name. So I'm going to use a slice and call method. So once I use that, I will get the popover. So bs toggle popover where it is. So I'll get this button details here. Okay. Once I get this, I will create one more variable. So that variable is used to map. So what it will map? So here in this argument, I'm giving a value. So that value should return here. Okay. So you can see the output. So if I click on this, you can see some popover header and some content has been displayed. And we can also see one more example on this if you want to make it clear. We'll go with the positioning if possible. So I'll show you so that you can do it. And what are the other important things? I hope I've completed popover closed forms. Okay. So we'll go with the forms. So I'll give you some very basic, simple example for this. Okay, so how to create a form. So form is the same thing, but you need to use some class names, a predefined class name. It's not that much, tough as toast and popover. So here I'm giving a first I'll create a container. So container classes container. So margin top it should be 3. Just close this. So inside this, I will create a form. I'll give this one name as a application or sign up form. I'll give a name as sign up. Is sign in. So here, I'll create a form element. So in this form element, I don't want to. I'm not going to mention any form name directly. div. I'm giving a class name. I need some spaces, so I'll go with the margin bottom and margin top. 3 and closes off. Insert this and giving a label name. Okay. So label for equals to email. I need an email ID and email. Inside this, input type email and class form hyphen control. So the ID is email. See here, I'm giving a normal input, but type only changes it to be email, and the class is form control, and the ID is email, and the placeholder. What I'm going to give is, I'm giving enter your mail ID. So and then name is email. And I'll close this. I created one input, and I'll close this div container. And next I need one more thing. I'm going to get the password. So for that, what I will do, uh 1 minute. So here also I'm just copying this in here, but here I need a password. Change this to be password. And this is also your form control, and placeholder is, I'll change this to enter your password. It's also password. And if you want any checklist example to remember things, so you can also give that. So again, I'm copying this. Here I'm changing this to B. I have one predefined class called this form hyphen check. The label name is form hyphen check hyphen label. Just copy and paste it here. These are some names which we are giving to connect these two things. Okay. So in this place, I will give um, and the type is gonna be what? So here it is a checkbox. Checkbox. Okay. And the placeholder. So if you don't want this any placeholder here because it is just a checkbox, I'll remove this. And the name I'm giving as a remember. Here I'll give remember. Okay. And so this is what it will be. We'll close this label at the bottom. And I need one more thing. So somewhat it will be like, but you can change this. Okay, you can change accordingly to this the form. So that's how it will be. Okay, I'll show you the forms also. Just go through this all these things. So if you have any sort of doubts, you can come up with the bootstrap topic. As of now, I understood, you guys understand what it is. And also if you click on this float, you can see how we can place these elements. Example, left or right, that can be managed over here. Okay, so a float should be left or right, or what kind of place you need to place. For example, in CSS we already know, so we need to mention property as float and the value to be left or right, right? But here we have three options. If you're not going to give anything, it will be in the left. If it is in the end, it will go right, and if it is in the start, it will goes on the left side. So this is how it will be. So we'll see. Here div class, in this div class I'm giving a name as float end. So you can see here it is in left and this is in right. So you can do these things. And so, and what are the other important thing is, so tooltip also same as the popovers will all be also be the same thing. So see here. So it will be like this. So it will hover the same thing. Tooltip is same thing like a popover. Okay. And I think I've completed the most of the things. So button group. So button group, see here, this is very, very simple. So if you give the BTN group in the DAV container and you need to create something in the button, okay, you can place it left, right, and bottom, something you can assign. So let's see how we can do that. And guys, after this, after 2 o'clock, we'll be having a session, uh, how to create the whole website, the portfolio website. So that I'm going to teach you. Okay, so please be connected. Okay, don't get disconnect of so if you have a internet issue, that's fine, but if not, please try to join the session. Okay, so here here I need to mention a BTN group. Just close this HDIV, and within this I can create a button name. Type. So here you can see the BTN, so button group. So you can also group it along. So 1 minute, I will tell you. See here, it is in the group list. Just you need to mention BTN hyphen group. That's it. Okay. So as of now, do you guys have any questions in this? Yes, ma. Do you have any questions as of now? Yes
No,
or
ma'am.
no? Okay. Is it easy? So definitely you can create your own web page, right? Front end. So if you need, some examples, more examples or videos, something like that, you can tell me. I can give you some videos for the front end alone. I'll send you some videos. Okay. So please, this is your career. So you have to decide and you need to complete your projects. So the three mantras you need to follow: the attendance and your assessment and capstone projects. You'll be having your certificate because you are going to present in front of your some experts. Okay. So please be serious. And Jane, when you guys be able to submit the project now?
After February, we'll start, ma'am,
Okay.
because we have semester exams right now. After that only we'll start, ma'am.
Okay, when the semester exam starts for you?
Uh, Feb 8th, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, why your friends are not speaking? You alone speaking. What happened to them? Yes, Manju, Jyoti, Pavitra, Tejashwini. Okay, guys, I hope you will, you guys will definitely give the capstone projects name. Don't be so serious about this. Just think what you can do. Okay, because wherever you go for an interview, also that speaks well, right? So you have created on your own. Within 1 week or 2 weeks, you are going to do it. So just think on that. This Pavitra, Jyoti, I think everyone is hungry.
No, ma'am.